Mechanic. A person who repairs or maintains machines, especially cars. The mechanic fixed my car in just a few hours. I took my truck to the mechanic for a routine checkup. She works as a mechanic at the local garage. The mechanic said the engine needs a complete overhaul. I trust my mechanic to always do a good job.